In the complex world of dating and relationships, have you ever wondered what makes a man choose one woman over another? Today, we're going to dive deep into this intriguing question. It's not just about superficial qualities. There are specific traits, behaviors, and connections that often tip the scales in a woman's favor. By the end of this video, you'll understand the nuanced factors that can influence a man's choice, offering a fresh perspective on attraction and compatibility. Ready to unravel the mysteries of the heart? Let's begin this insightful journey. 1. Confidence. It's no secret that confidence can be a major draw. This isn't about arrogance or being overly self-assured. It's about a quiet, inner confidence that shines through in how a person carries themselves, how they speak, and how they interact with others. Confidence is appealing because it suggests a level of self-awareness and self-respect. It's about knowing your worth without needing constant validation from others. Have you noticed how people who are confident tend to light up a room? Their energy is palpable, and it often draws others to them, including potential partners. This kind of confidence is not just about physical appearance. It encompasses a person's attitude towards life, their passions, and their ability to embrace their flaws. Have you ever felt more drawn to someone because they seemed genuinely comfortable in their own skin? It's a quality that can make a significant difference in how people perceive one another. 2. Sense of humor. It's often said that laughter is the best medicine, and it holds true in relationships as well. A good sense of humor is not just about making jokes or being the life of the party. It's about the ability to see the lighter side of life, to be able to laugh at oneself, and to bring joy to everyday situations. This quality is attractive because it makes interactions fun and can help ease tension during difficult times. It's about sharing moments of laughter and joy, which can create a strong bond between two people. When someone can make you laugh, it opens up a level of comfort and connection that can be hard to find. Humor can also be a sign of intelligence and creativity, as it often requires quick thinking and a unique perspective on life. Think about the times you've been drawn to someone because they could make you smile or laugh in a way that nobody else could. It's a magical feeling, isn't it? 3. Emotional intelligence. This is a key factor in any relationship. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, as well as the ability to empathize with and interact effectively with others. It's about being able to read emotional cues, communicate effectively, and handle emotional situations with tact and understanding. This quality is attractive because it leads to healthier, more understanding, and more supportive relationships. Men often appreciate women who can express their feelings clearly and who can understand and respect their emotions in return. Emotional intelligence also encompasses being able to handle conflicts in a mature way, being empathetic towards others, and being emotionally available. It's about creating a safe space where both partners can be vulnerable and support each other through life's ups and downs. Have you ever been in a situation where someone's emotional intelligence made you feel understood and valued? It's a powerful quality that can deeply influence the dynamics of a relationship. 4. Shared values and beliefs. In the journey of finding a partner, common ground in core values and beliefs can be a major factor. This doesn't mean you have to agree on everything, but having similar fundamental beliefs and values can create a strong foundation for a relationship. It's about having a similar outlook on life, similar goals, and similar ideas about important things like family, career, and lifestyle. When these core aspects align, it can lead to a deeper understanding and a stronger bond. Think about it. When you share similar values with someone, you often find that many aspects of your relationship flow more smoothly. You're more likely to agree on key life decisions, understand each other's motivations, and support each other in a way that feels natural and unforced. Have you ever experienced a deeper connection with someone because you shared similar beliefs or values? It's like finding a piece of yourself in someone else, and it's a truly beautiful thing. 5. Independence. Independence from a partner can be extremely attractive. This quality is about being self-reliant, having your own interests, passions, and friends, and not relying on a partner to fulfill all your needs. It's about being your own person within the relationship. This is attractive because it suggests a well-rounded, fulfilled individual who brings their own unique perspectives and experiences to the relationship. Independence also implies a certain level of maturity and self-sufficiency, which can be reassuring in a partner. When a person has their own life and interests, it not only makes them more intriguing, but also alleviates the pressure of being someone's sole source of happiness or entertainment. It encourages a healthy dynamic where both individuals can grow both together and separately. Have you ever admired someone's ability to stand on their own, pursue their passions, and yet still be a committed and caring partner? That balance is not only admirable but also deeply attractive. 6. Kindness and compassion. In a world that can often be harsh and unyielding, the ability to be kind and compassionate stands out. This quality is about more than just being nice. It's about showing genuine care and empathy towards others, being considerate, and having a warm, inviting nature. It's attractive because it creates a sense of safety and trust in the relationship. When a man sees a woman who treats others with kindness and respect, it often indicates that she will bring those same qualities into their relationship. Kindness also often indicates a good-hearted person who values others and has the ability to connect deeply. Have you noticed how acts of kindness and compassion can draw people closer and create a bond that is hard to break? It's a quality that resonates deeply and can make a significant impact on how we feel about someone. 7. Intelligence. Intelligence is not just about academic or book knowledge. It's about being curious, insightful, and having the ability to engage in stimulating conversations. It's about being open to learning new things and having a perspective on various topics. Intelligence is attractive because it adds depth to a person and to a relationship. It leads to interesting discussions, shared learning experiences, and a mutual respect for each other's minds. When a man finds a woman intellectually stimulating, it can be a major draw because it suggests a relationship that will continually evolve and grow. Think about the times you've been captivated by someone's thoughts and ideas and how they made conversations exciting and filled with discovery. That intellectual connection can be a powerful element of attraction. 8. Physical attraction. While it's true that beauty is in the eye of the beholder and that physical attraction is subjective, it does play a role in initial attraction. However, physical attraction is more than just conventional beauty standards. It's about how someone carries themselves, their smile, their eyes, and the energy they exude. It's about finding someone attractive on a personal level, beyond societal standards. Physical attraction is important because it's often the first step in sparking interest. But it's important to remember that what makes someone attractive varies greatly from person to person. It could be a certain look, a style, or just the way someone laughs. Have you ever been drawn to someone not just for their looks, but for their overall presence and the way they make you feel? 9. Reliability and stability. This is about being dependable, consistent, and having a sense of security in life. It's attractive because it suggests a partner who can be counted on, who is responsible, and who can provide a sense of security in the relationship. Stability isn't just financial, it's also emotional and mental. It's about having a steady hand in life's ups and downs and being someone a partner can rely on. Think about the times when you felt drawn to someone because you knew they would always be there for you, in good times and bad. That sense of reliability can create a deep and lasting attraction. 10. Similar interests and hobbies. Sharing common interests and hobbies can be a major factor in attraction. It's about having things to do together, to talk about, and to bond over. Whether it's a love for the outdoors, a passion for music, or a shared interest in cooking, these commonalities can create a strong connection. It's not about doing everything together, but about sharing certain aspects of your lives that bring joy and excitement. Think about how much fun it is to share your passions with someone who understands and appreciates them. It's a wonderful way to deepen a relationship and to keep things interesting. 11. Ability to compromise. In any relationship, the ability to compromise is crucial. This quality is about being flexible, understanding, and willing to meet halfway. It's attractive because it shows a level of maturity and a commitment to making the relationship work. Compromise is about finding a balance where both partners feel heard and respected. It's about working together to find solutions that work for both. Have you ever been in a situation where someone's willingness to compromise made a huge difference in your relationship? It's a sign of respect and understanding, showing that both partners are valued and their needs are important. This quality creates a strong foundation for a healthy, long-lasting relationship as it fosters mutual respect and cooperation. Now that you understand what makes a guy go for one woman over another, what's next for your journey? discover the signs he's hiding his feelings for you, or learn how to seduce a man and make him crazy for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.